Hi everyone, welcome to Cebuano 101 Bisaya lesson. My name is Judy and I'm going to teach you the Cebuano dialect in a conversational way. In this episode, I'm going to teach you the weeks, months, and year in Bisaya. This lesson has a lot of Spanish words, okay? Again, as I mentioned from my previous videos, we were conquered for more than 300 years by the Spaniards, and the Spanish words are still present here up to now, although not like before that a lot of Filipinos are really speaking in Spanish words, but there are words, borrowed words from the Spanish that are still present until up to this day. Okay, so let's start. Week means semana. Week 1, pirmiro nga semana. Week 2, ika-duha nga semana. Week 3, Ika-tulo nga semana. Week 4, Ika-upat nga semana. Let's go to months. Month is buwan. January is enero. February is Pebrero. Sorry about that. March is Marso. April is Abril. May is Mayo. June, Hunyo. July, Julio. Agosto. Setyembre. Oktubre. November, Nobyembre. December is Disyembre. Year means is Tuig. Okay, I think that's all. That's all for weeks, months, and years in Bisaya, in Cebuano, in the Bisaya dialect, Bisaya language. Okay, that's it. And thank you so much for today, for giving me your precious time. And I hope to see you again in my next Bisaya lessons. And leave me a comment down below. Give me a like. That will make my day, definitely. And see you next week. Bye bye.